I feel like something's out of place here. That is something. It's the front of a Howard Miller Sandringham without the face on it. See, that's metal. Look at that. This thing is made of metal, which is pretty surprising. Unlike my Howard Miller regulator, which appears to be made of paper of some sort. But, that hole is a bit small, as you can see. You can't even go up past the point where you can turn the minute hand. But if you ever wondered what exactly the clock does whenever you wind it, I think in this video, that's what we're gonna go ahead and do. I mean, I've already wound this clock in another video, but not without the face on. So you all are gonna get to see what it's like to wind a Hermle 341-020 movement from the front. I'm gonna try and focus this on the movement. You can see that little lever turning. I'm winding it very slowly so you guys can see that. This is kind of complicated, but yeah, you can see that little piece right there moving as I wind it. So it's pretty cool. That is what it looks like when it's wound. But that is very bare. And that's what it looks like. Quite impressive. Well, hope you all enjoyed that brief video. So, I guess I'll see you on the next one. I'm gonna go and put this face back on. But other than that, see you all later.